Hello people, welcome to my channel Noor. Today I would like to share a small technique which is related to the MS Excel, that is how to insert an image in Excel. For this purpose we need to create an empty spreadsheet, that is Excel file. I am giving the name as file and opening this one. For inserting an image in Excel sheets, we have several ways to insert an image in Excel, but these methods makes waste of our spreadsheet space. Let us see one method from several methods, that is we can insert an image by insert option in menu bar. Let us see. For preparing this sheet, here I am using some pet names. That is cow, cat, dog. For cow, I have to move this, increase the cell space for inserting the image. In this area, I need to be insert a cow image. Choose the insert, click, drag the image where you already stored. You can adjust the image, how much space it will be occupying on your screen. For second one you can do the same process. This is an old method that is occupying a lot of space in our spreadsheet. It occupying 1 2 3 4 5 6 cell spaces. This is a old method. This is a drawback, that is waste of space. So now I am introducing a new technique, that is how to use commands. With the help of commands we can insert an image. For this purpose I take sheet 2. Same process. I am giving the name as pets, cow, cat, and the last one is dog. In this method, whenever I move the cursor over the name, it should see an image next to it. Doing it this way saves a lot of space in the spreadsheets. Let us see how it will be work. What I already said, whenever I move the cursor over the name, it should see an image next to it. It means the image will be represented in this area but not occupying any other cells. Let us see how. Put the cursor into the name, click on right side, go to the insert command, remove the username and adjust this frame size and click right side on the frame border. Choose format command, go to the color and lines, go to the fill, that is color, enter into the fill effects, choose picture option, click on select picture, choose which picture you want, click on insert, click on OK and then OK. For second animal means pet, do the same procedure. Click on right side, insert command, remove the username, adjust the frame sizes, Click on the right side of frame border, click format command, go to the color. In this color, choose fill effects, choose picture, go to select picture, choose which picture you want to insert, click on insert, then go to OK. OK. Dog also same. This is the last one. Go to the insert, remove the username. You can adjust this frame border size as you want. Fill effects, go to picture, select picture and choose which picture. Okay. Okay. See here, when I move the cursor on cow, the image of cow it will be represented here. Coming to cat, it's come. Next one is dog. It also showing its image, prospect image. So in this way we can save a lot of space in our spreadsheet. So this is the new technique. I hope you all understood. Bye.